Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we're diving into a high-performance thermogenic fat burner and appetite suppressant that's been making waves in the market. It's the Burn XT Max by Jacked Factory, and we'll find out if it lives up to the hype. Show visuals of the Burn XT Max product, highlighting the packaging and capsules. Let's kick things off by introducing the Burn XT Max. This is a product designed to help you burn fat and suppress your appetite, making it easier to achieve your fitness goals. Highlight key product details, such as the 90 capsules per bottle and the fact that it's suitable for adults. One of the standout features of Burn XT Max is that it's packed with clinically studied ingredients. It's not just any fat burner. It's a powerhouse designed to help you unlock a leaner, more defined physique. Discuss the key ingredients, including acetyl L-carnitine, green tea extract, rauwolsine, huperzine A, pure calf organic caffeine, and Mito Burn L-Beba. Burn XT Max contains a variety of ingredients that are known to support fat loss and energy. From acetyl L-carnitine to green tea extract, these components are here to boost your metabolism and give you the energy you need to power through your workouts. Emphasize the inclusion of patented Mito Burn L-Beba and pure calf organic caffeine for enhanced energy and fat burning. What sets Burn XT Max apart is its inclusion of premium patented ingredients like Mito Burn L-Beba and pure calf organic caffeine. These additions can improve energy production, metabolic function, and increase calorie burning. Now, it's essential to remember that no supplement can magically transform your body overnight. Burn XT Max is a tool that, when combined with a proper diet and exercise plan, can help you on your fitness journey while preserving muscle tissue. Safety and quality are paramount. Jacked Factory takes pride in manufacturing all their products under strict quality control standards in a CGMP-certified facility. This means you're getting a product that's pure and potent, without any harmful additives. In conclusion, Burn XT Max by Jacked Factory is a high-performance thermogenic fat burner and appetite suppressant that has garnered attention for its impressive ingredients and positive user experiences. Remember, it's not a miracle pill, but it can be a valuable tool in your fitness journey. If you're looking to supercharge your fat-burning efforts and manage your appetite, Burn XT Max might be the right choice for you. You can find it on Amazon, and we've provided the link in the description below. That wraps up our review of Burn XT Max. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.